Bless you. Hi, Miles. This is why he tries to get Shiva to look at him. There's Bodie. Bodie gonna sit with Todd and Miles.
Yeah, Todd said he couldn't believe that we got such a good
Yeah.
shot of all of us too. What's that, baby? Ow. What's going on? Helicopter man.
Who's here? Bodie. Let me get you. Look who's here.